Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Honduras. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Honduras is a country in Central America. Honduras has extensive forests, marine and mineral resources, partnered with an ever-growing economy. As Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years, beginner traders should consider finding themselves a globally regulated, safe and reputable broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Honduras and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when searching for a trustworthy and reliable broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Honduras. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is Easy Markets. Easy Markets is an online, fully regulated financial broker, which is recommended for beginner traders, is regulated by the SEC in Cyprus, the ASIC in Australia, and offers beginners enhanced risk management tools, fixed spreads on all Forex pairs, all on an easy-to-use Forex trading platform. Easy Markets specializes in trading through Forex, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, precious metals, and indices. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and the Easy Markets web platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on standard, VIP, and premium accounts with fixed spreads, lower minimum deposits, no commissions, over-the-phone customer support, a variety of trading safety and insight features, and more. Easy Markets also provides their very own educational academy, which features educational trading courses, their very own educational video series, as well as a variety of ebooks that cover topics such as technical analysis, trading psychology, guides in platform functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education with Easy Markets. At number 4 on our list, we have Trading 212. Trading 212 is an online financial broker founded in 2006 and offers a wide range of market instruments to trade. Trading 212 is a global broker that is based in the United Kingdom and specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices. Regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Financial Supervision Commission, Trading 212 is the UK's #1 trading and investment platform and is home to over 1 million traders. Their accounts feature demo, CFD, investing, and ISA accounts with lower minimum deposits, no commission charges, guaranteed stop losses, negative balance protection, a variety of base currency options, and more. Platforms are available on Trading 212's web and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Trading 212 also provides their very own educational center, which features a variety of helpful educational videos, written educational content, news and analytics panels, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Trading 212. Coming in at number 3 on our list is Iron FX. Iron FX is the trade name of Notesco Limited, which is based in Bermuda. Regulated by the ASIC, CYSEC, and the FCA. Iron FX offers a multi-asset class Forex and CFD trading experience, and specializes in trading through Forex, metals, indices, commodities, futures, and shares. Their accounts are available on Standard, Premium, and VIP live floating spread accounts, and an STP ECN account, with lower spreads, a dedicated account manager available 24-hour 5 days a week, a variety of base currency options, and more. Demo accounts and swap-free accounts are also on offer. Featured platform is available on the MetaTrader 4 platform for web and can be downloaded on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Iron FX also provides their very own educational section, which delves into beginner's guides to getting started with trading, a variety of educational videos that cover tips, market outlooks, and chart analysis, a financial news and analysis panel, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational resources with Iron FX. At number 2 on our list is FX Primus. FX Primus is an online broker founded in 2009, offering Forex trading, social trading, and is a global broker with a head office located in Cyprus. Regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, the Markets in Financial Instruments Directive, and is used by over 10,000 traders. FX Primus offers over 125 different instruments to trade, including 43 currency pairs, specializing in Forex, metals, energies, equities, cryptocurrencies, indices, and futures. Available platforms are provided on MetaTrader 4, which is supported on their web-based browser application, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Standard, VIP, Variable, and ECN Premium accounts, with access to a wide range of advanced trading tools, multilingual customer support services, SMS alerts, daily market outlooks, one-on-one consultations, and more. FX Primus also provides their very own educational center, which delves into weekly market analytics, general market commentary from expert guests, seminars, webinars, daily market news, trading calculators, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional trading education with FX Primus. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Honduras, we have Octa FX. Octa FX is an online broker that was established in 2011 and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. Over 300,000 traders use Octa FX as their preferred financial broker. Specializing in trading and offering services through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on web-based browser applications, Windows, Android and iOS operating systems. Their accounts feature MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 and CTrader accounts, with floating spreads, lower minimum deposits, a variety of tradable market instruments, hedging, scalping, advisors, and more. Octa FX also provides their very own educational panels, which covers the basics to Forex trading, a collection of video tutorials, market insights and news, technical analysis panels, an economic calendar, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading education and knowledge with Octa FX. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Honduras on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.